2024 is the year of wise decisions, particularly in light of the impending recession. However, what if I told you that some routine transactions can be quietly emptying your bank account? We're revealing the best items not to purchase in 2024 in this video. Keep checking back because it might be simpler than you think to save money this year. Your spending patterns may save you when things get harder financially. We're going to go into the essential goods and services that you should not buy in 2024 today. These are your shield against the impending financial difficulties. They are more than just advice. Are you prepared to cut some corners? Let's get started. Number 1. Expensive tech gadgets. When a new phone is released every other month in this day and age, it can be tempting to upgrade. The question is, though, is it truly necessary? These devices become less functional faster than you can say obsolete. Think about whether your present gadget could endure another year before making a purchase. You can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars by delaying tech improvements. Wait, there's more to this tech tale. Continue reading. Gadgets for technology are only the beginning. We're going to tackle a category that is surprisingly expensive next. You should not miss this. Number 2, trendy fast fashion. Let's now discuss clothing, more especially quick fashion. It's stylish, affordable, and a trap. These items eventually become more expensive because they break down more quickly and go out of style. Purchase high-quality fundamentals that will endure for years rather than just a few weeks. But how can one tell the difference between a waste of money and a smart buy? Stay put. I'm going to give you some foolproof advice. Reducing your clothes expenditure is important, but many people fail to notice an even larger financial leak. Are you prepared for the disclosure? Continue observing. Number 3, unnecessary subscriptions. Reducing the number of pointless memberships you have can significantly lower your monthly costs. Now that streaming services and monthly boxes are available, it's important to consider which of these you actually utilize. Even 2 unused memberships can be canceled to save yourself more than $100 annually. Not only that, but this purging has a strategy. In a moment, more on it. Trimmed subscriptions, but work is still to be done. You might be surprised to learn that the next item on our list is something you use on a daily basis. Number 4, premium brand groceries. Let's discuss groceries, more especially name brand items. Sure, we all have our favorites, but are store brands really any better for the money? Yes, in a lot of situations. This year, set a goal for yourself to replace just 3 high-end items with generic ones after each shopping excursion. You'll be surprised at the savings. However, it's about shopping more wisely rather than merely trading in. I'll get into more detail about that shortly. Having taken care of the groceries, there's one more expense-cutting measure you should consider to avoid financial hardship in 2024. Number 5, expensive leisure activities. Finally, reconsider your costly leisure pursuits. I am referring to the weekly movie evenings at the theater or nice restaurant eating. It's time to use your imagination. Have a movie night in, prepare a special dinner, or go on an outdoor adventure. You will not only make priceless memories, but also save money. And keep an eye out for the bright side of this change in lifestyle, I assure you. We've discussed the best items to avoid purchasing in 2024, including pricey trips and digital devices. You can protect your finances from the impending recession by putting even a handful of these adjustments into practice. However, knowledge is only useful when put to use. Which one of these are you going to cut? Tell me in the comments section below. If these suggestions were useful to you, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with friends and family to encourage them to save money as well. We can keep giving you the game-changing guidance you need to succeed in 2024 and beyond because to your support. Before you leave, I have a challenge for you. Choose one item on the list today to cut out of your monthly budget. Post your decision and the outcome in the comments section below. Let's begin promoting frugal spending and sound money management. We can take on 2024 head-on and emerge stronger if we band together. Thank you for watching, and keep in mind that you may become financially independent with every dollar you save.